Peace begins with me, it begins with you, and it begins with all of us. Without peace, there is no justice or development. Where there is peace, there is cohesion, unity, and love. When a country is peaceful, citizens can work, children can happily and peacefully go to school, and business is conducted without interruptions. Where there is security, people live peacefully, and security, like peace, should start with me and you. It is the responsibility of all Kenyans to maintain peace and security at all times wherever they are. The government has an obligation to the people of this country to keep peace and protect its citizens from the enemy, both internal and foreign, and Kenyans should appreciate the good work the security forces have done protecting our borders and the whole country. Our security officers are tasked with the responsibility of every Kenyan to be committed to keep and maintain peace and security at all times and not engage in crime and unethical behavior. Kenyans should be patriotic and be their brothers and sisters' keepers. Kenyans should work hand in hand with the security agents to ensure that every Kenyan enjoys peace and good security in our communities and neighborhoods. Marginalization and unequal rights destroys peaceful coexistence between communities and causes strife and wars, and we should all look out for each other and encourage community policing. Our youth should be encouraged to engage in meaningful work using their gifts and talents instead of engaging in crime, lawlessness, and idleness. Our country will be blessed and there will be peace if we all take responsibility to keep peace and care for our nation. As our national anthem clearly says, may we dwell in unity, peace, and liberty. We must all do our part and be patriotic as responsible citizens, and then we ask our God to bless our land and nation, then justice will be found within our borders. Did you know it is patriotic if you and I consider all Kenyans as brothers and sisters? And did you know that it is when you and I work with others engaging in strengthening peace and security in our neighborhoods, in our communities,